కాని వాక్ప్రాణచక్షుశ్రోత్రమతో బలమింద్రియాని చ సర్వాణి. The moment I read out, even utter 2-3 lines in the Kathopanishad, I feel like choking. Oh God, don't read more, because there is so much to explain. There is so much to explain. First of all, I have to explain the whole context. Only then. In Vedic tradition, examinations are not done by question answer method. No. That is Macaulay's method. Clerk making. No. In Vedic tradition, it is all examinations are conducted based on the thought current you carry. Please understand. If you have to check somebody has mastered Nyaya or Vaiseshika or Yoga or Purvamimamsa or Uttaramimamsa or Agama, the person will be made to speak in the presence of the Pandits who have mastered those thought currents. So they will see whether spontaneously he is able to express that thought current, then they will declare he passed. Not by any question answer. In the modern education, you can be a great Pandit of yoga philosophy, but you can't even bend your neck and touch your own belly. Forget about leg. You can be like that in modern day, because it does not need to become your thought current. Just memorize. Yoga chitta vritti nirodha. That is what is being done to our Indian kids in the modern day. Actually, for our Indian DNA, the memorizing is very easy. That is why in the modern education our kids excel. Not just in India, go to any country, any university, the toppers are Indians. Because it is too small for us. Our education was all about developing certain thought current. What is real education? The other day I was telling one of my Mahant, what is real education? If we are teaching the science of completion to our kids, we should be able to guarantee you can't get even one lie out of my Gurukul kids. If they are here studying the science of completion for 2-3 years, I can challenge. You can't get a lie out of them. That is what is education. Education is making them master a thought current, which becomes their lifestyle, which becomes the cognition style, which becomes their very being. That is the Indian examination method. People who have mastered the thought current will sit together and ask this person who is getting examined to speak for hours. For hours he will speak. For hours you cannot speak on a subject unless that became your very thought current, cognition system. The way you cognize. If somebody is able to make any one of my Gurukul kid tell a lie, the kid has failed. If you are not able to make my Gurukul kid tell a lie by providing anything, even if you play with their fear and greed to the extreme and you are not able to make them tell a lie, then they are educated, they are successful. National average in degree holders in US is 30%, but Indian Americans 70%. It's from Wall Street Journal. National average is 30, Indian Americans 70. See the gap. Because this education is too small for us. But that does not mean I am praising you fellows. You have, it is like a one-liner I read in the Facebook. A fellow was talking to his friend saying, this lady is so inauspicious, unfortunate, all the bad words he was using against a lady, saying this lady made her husband millionaire. The friend said, why are you cursing her and saying she's inauspicious? She made her husband millionaire. No. Before marriage he was a billionaire. Understand this one-liner? Yes, you guys have become millionaire. But from where? From billionaire. Listen. Yes, you have become millionaire. But from where? From billionaire to you have become millionaire. This education is nothing for you. It means I am not saying go ahead, go on with this. No. I am saying come back to our examination method. The Vedic examination method, where we test the thought current of a person and certify.